Hello all, welcome to Sri's World YouTube channel. Here's a simple and delicious prawns curry recipe. Ingredients list. Clean and devein the prawns and set them aside. Add prawns. Add coconut milk and water. If you're using coconut milk, add it now along with water to adjust the curry's consistency. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Serve. Blend the tomatoes to make a puree. Heat oil. In a large pan, heat the oil over medium heat. Once hot, add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste. Add the ginger garlic paste and sauté for 2-3 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Spice it up. Add the turmeric powder. Add tomatoes. Add salt to taste, then garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Pour in the tomato puree and cook for 5-7 minutes until the oil starts separating from the masala. Stir for a minute to allow the spices to release their flavors. Add the prawns to the curry and stir gently. Cook for 4 or 5 minutes until the prawns turn pink and are cooked through. Season and garnish. Coriander powder and garam masala. Serve the prawn curry hot with rice, roti, or naan.